Windows 10 and 11 come pre-installed with spyware and bloatware that are probably eating away at your system resources. So, we're going to clean up those items and make your desktop look cleaner and modern in the process. So, this is probably your computer. I don't know what it looks like. This does not look nice. So, you want to clean up your home screen. First thing you want to do is maybe make your icons a bit smaller and then completely hide them for how hideous they are, especially the homework folder. As you can see on here, there's the homework folder. I can't even find it at this point because it's so convoluted. So you hide this by clicking on show desktop icons. Now we just have the some galaxy recorded. This wallpaper doesn't look great either, but we're going to change that in a bit. So we have this over here, but we kind of want this to go in the center. So what we're going to do is hide that search bar. Click it's on show search box here. Click on hidden, so it hides it. Don't worry, it's not completely gone. You can still type something in and it'll show up. Like, I don't know. Yeah, so stuff like you can type in there and it'll, it'll do it automatically. Now, to bring all this stuff to the center, by the way, the Windows icon is a bitch. It's still going to stay there. It's not going to move, so sorry about that. Anyways, you click on toolbars, links, and then this little thing pulls up. Now you unlock the taskbar. Everyone's free. We also turn off the task view button because you can just alt tab. And then, use your tab. And then move links towards, and then push it in, and then it'll pop on the other side. Okay, so you just drag it to the center, drag it to where you feel it would be comfortable. Usually you'll have a few more icons open, so it's okay to not have it in the center because it will eventually move a little bit this way and more icons will pop up on this side. Now most people can just stop here. Well, if you have OCD, you will never stop doing this, but for most people, you can just stop here. But I like to go a step further by going to the Microsoft Store and getting a software called Lively Wallpaper. It should be exactly like this. You'll find it on the Microsoft Store. Go on there, open it up, and oh wow, I have a virus that's been last scanned in 2021. Nice. Guess I have a lot of malware on there. Anyways, you pull this up, and then you have Lively Wallpaper right here. Open Lively Wallpaper, and you can already see the bar down here is transparent. That's because you can go into settings, onto system, and then change taskbar theme to clear, off, fluent, or wallpaper fluent. There's all the stuff you can get into, but I like to just keep it as normal so I can differentiate. So if you pull it down, it'll be very fluid with your wallpaper. Now you want to make the wallpaper look something better, so you can do a lot of stuff. Like you won't have these many wallpapers. You have different wallpapers, so you can get loops of things downloaded and use them as things you can use. But this is one of the defaults, and it pulls it up. You can have this. You can have this. I forgot where this is, but it was a really beautiful wallpaper. You can have stuff that looks really cool. I'm going to set it up as a living room, and it's going to show up a little box. That's it, that's a little box, and then you can go into settings for it. Change to customize, if you want to limit your graphics card. The thing is, you do not want to run the software a lot when you're playing games or editing or something like that, because it does sap some of your GPU. If you pull up the task manager and pull up performance, see that the GPU is being used quite a bit, like 50%, 40%. This is 1660, and it's also using the UHD graphics. So I don't like to keep live wallpapers on, but you can turn it off from here. So close wallpapers. Let's look at the usage now. We still have 22% to like 20%, somewhere around there. But yeah, you'll top out at around 20 with this, and if you turn the live wallpaper on, it'll take more. Of course, you can just stop it using the GPU when you're playing games as well, by just going here and clicking onto performance, and then when applications focus, you click on pause. So whenever something comes up full screen or in focus, your live wallpaper at the back will just pause. And yeah, there's all the stuff you can get into. You can learn it all. But that's basically how you clean up your system. And there's more things you can do as well. You can add in like themes and stuff. But this is mostly where I like to go with it. And this is clean. Some people like to have their search icons on, which if you're using this computer a lot, I mean, you don't need to have it because it looks ugly. So yeah, hidden. And you also have the interests and news thing on. Turn it off using this menu here. It's not on mine because I ran a special Windows 10 debloat script. You should run debloat scripts as well. Actually, might as well show it to you here.
Hi, do you like going outside? Well, that's just great. Here's what happens to people who go outside. Don't go outside. This post was made by Inside Gang.
Alright, this is the Windows 11 debloat. It also works for Windows 10. You download it and then use it right here. The reason being, the reason you use it is because Windows comes prepackaged with amazing, like top grade level spyware. So just to remove it, just because, you know, we're not worthy of that level of spyware, we're going to take it out of our system. Okay, so you just take this Win11 debloat script. Those are 100% valid downloads. They're legal. I know that they're legal because I just know, okay? Extract your items into Win11 debloat right here. And you're going to get a bat file, which looks like a virus, but it's on GitHub, so it's probably safe. That's how you go about it, you know. If it's on GitHub, it's probably safe. But realistically, this is not going to do much to your system. Tons of people have checked it. It's 129 days old, and it's not a virus. So you click on Run, and then it'll run a PowerShell script. Yes. This is very high level privilege. You shouldn't provide this to any application, but we'll do it for this one. So you have default, custom, and app removal mode. So I'll go for custom and select which apps to remove and which to keep. You can select the first one, but let me just show you what apps we have on here. These are all the apps. Well, not all of them are on here, but most of these come prepackaged with Windows. So you have Microsoft Journal, Office Hub, I don't know what the fuck this is, Solitaire Collection, Mixed Reality, I guess is fair, Network Speed Test, which is fair. Then you have to-dos, Whiteboard. I've never used Whiteboard in my life. I'm not seen it yet. Xbox app, Xbox Game Over. I'd say if you're a gamer, just keep these because you will probably need them for your Minecraft and some other stuff. Zune Music, which is, oh my god, how old is that? There's Netflix that comes pre-installed, TikTok and all this stuff. So yeah, there's a lot of shit that comes pre-installed onto Windows, and at least half of this is guaranteed on your system. So yeah, just click on confirm and then remove that. I'm just going to click on cancel because I've already removed them and reinstalled the apps that I wanted. It will remove your clock app and your mail app. If you use any of those, just unselect them from that screen. But yeah, after that, I'm going to click no. Always disable telemetry, data, diagnostic data, activity history, app launch tracking, etc. And targeted ads. Yeah, that just takes it out. And then disable tips, tricks, so on and so forth. 100% remove Bing AI and Cortana. And let's make some changes. Disable the widget service. I'm just going to click no for all of these, but you can see what it does. You can see what it can change. Like it takes out the news and interests bar and all the other stuff. But yeah, that's most of it. That's all you're going to need. And then your computer is debloated. It will run like 5-6% faster. And that's really the gains you're looking for. And your network speed will be slightly faster as well because Windows won't send fucking telemetry data every 5 minutes. I've hidden the IP address on there, so don't worry, you won't catch me. Anyways, yeah, that's how you clean your screen. And you hide this always. And just the end of the video on a good note. It does take a lot of GPU, but it is pretty cool to have this in your system. And if you have like a 4090 or 3090 or something like that, yeah, this is not going to use much of your system. And that's it. Until next time.